Guys, it's the Unstoppable Champion. I'm at the gun range. I tried to record this, but I can't go live because, gotta be older than 13 for some old reason. Yeah, and we're at the range, and we're gonna be shooting some guns. 25 yards and 50 yards. Got some targets and guns. And look. There's like tons and tons of ammo on the floor. Like tons and tons. There's like 1 billion pieces of here.
That's great. Yep. All right, let's go mow a little bit more and then she's leaving and she's gonna lock the gate behind her. So did you confirm it with her, the code? Yeah, she said, you know the gate code, right? I'm like, yeah. She's like, I'm gonna lock it when I leave. And I'm like, okay, lock it.
2476.
2476. Long as they
Gate code is 2476.
Okay.
Yeah, cleaning the gun out. Yeah.
Over there on the tree. Yep.
Yeah, we got a 12 gauge right here.
I'm looking
Pretty sure. Wait, let me get a good view. And we got a 12 gauge right there in that. And we got tons of guns on here. And we're going to be shooting all of them today. I'm going to be shooting some. Matter of fact, even though I'm under 18, only 10 years younger. But who cares? It's not a literal legal law. I got in free. They had to pay for theirs to get in. I got in free.
That's a good time to go get it, right?
Should we run and go get it? Ooh, holy moly! I almost just dropped my dad's phone. Yeah, that's what I'm recording on Reminder. And we got tons of rounds right here.
Bye.
See that?
Walk behind. Don't ever walk in front. Don't walk in front of them, okay?
Okay. All these guns. We're gonna be shooting them today. It's gonna be fun. My dad's over there going to get my brother's knife. And we're gonna be shooting guns, as I once again say. I might just put my dad's phone right here and show me shooting the pistol, pow, 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 pow. It's gonna be loud, so it might knock the phone down. It's gonna be fun. I'm gonna pause this real quick.
Turned on?
Yeah, I got him turned on. That's what it sounds like?
We're jamming.
Oh, jammed?
There we go.
Okay. Whoa! That was crazy. I caught that on cam. Let's go.
Did it muffle when it shot?
Yeah.
Okay.
I heard it
I just wanted to make sure that they were on properly.
I heard it sling. I heard the kickback, and then I heard it sling out, but then it muted completely. I swear. It just muted. It just said like a movie mute, bro. 2476. This is gonna be fun. Oh no, my dad's phone is about to die, and we're not even close to shooting. But we shot at least once. Yeah. Now get the off me, you bugs. Let's go. I'm running. There's something on me. I'm itching. Well, let me put the phone down. I'm itching everywhere. Itching me. To be honest, you're supposed to be wearing these.
Just hang on a minute, man. I got these. I'd
Wow.
rather wear these. All right, hello.
Yeah, talk, Dad, talk like normal.
Nah, I can't wear them.
Oh yeah, I can just hear you guys talking. Barely hear that lawnmower. At least I'll hear it.
There we go.
Wow. It feels like I'm in a movie right now. Kinda am. Cause, you know, kinda, yeah. You know, I'm about to hit the Logan Paul.
Hey. Where you stand? What? Oh, snap! What?
Oh wait, you're about to fire? Why you don't even have that? I'm going back in the shade. For some reason, Dad, for some reason your belt looking orange.
Oh.
The skin is orange.
Oh shit!
What?
Hold that. What did you say, Peyton?
For some reason you're orange.
For some reason you're yellow.
Pepe, ow.
What?
I'm gonna shoot that box.
Backerboard.
Backerboard?
This is the backboard. The fucking. Yeah. The insert.
I'm gonna be shooting. Like, oh.
Your back.
You shoot?
Yeah.
We had a jam earlier.
That I don't know.
See what I like about this is this bench is perfect for actually
Shooting.
resting and shooting. You know what I'm saying?
I'm not sure. But that's the.
Ooh.
How the hell does it stick in the ground?
Yeah, that's the thing. How
I
does
don't know.
I mean, you probably just about have to take the suction cups off.
That'd be my guess.
Yeah,
Stab that bitch in.
yep. That's what I'd do. Save
Oh.
all the little pieces and parts.
Probably need some targets.
Okay, stand back.
You about to shoot? My target? Target and what?
Somebody was shooting some bunk ass fucking steel fucking casing.
I'm coming. Guys, setting up a target. I have the worst stitch on my arm. I feel wind hitting me. I'm walking like Michael Myers RN. Ah. Ah. Hey, Michael. Yo. We're gonna have to like stab it open. Michael. Take it. And the target. That's about to shoot it, right? So that means I can go back, right? Let's go. Ah! I call it a rug. It rhymes with grug. Dun 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 dun. I'm sweating, bro. I'm sweating. I'm sweating. Sweating. I'm sweating. Yeah. I'm having the worst itch of my life. Let me sit down. Bro, I'm not feeling so well. How are you looking for him? Okay, he's okay. Okay, let's watch my dad shoot. Come on, shoot it. In 3, 2.
Make sure your earbuds are on.
Wait, stop. Michael,
Make sure they're on.
is it, whenever that is muffled, is it on?
You'll hear. Keep them on. Let me know if he gets quiet when he shoots.
Nope, it didn't.
It's okay. You're right. It's just a bullet. You're fine.
It's on.
Hey. When they turn on, you should see the beat go up. It should be do 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 do. Does that make sense? It's not supposed to make it completely quiet. It's just supposed to make it not as loud.
It's like going like echoing.
Yeah, but it gets a little quieter. They're on. They're on properly.
It was like echoing like loud. Yeah, they were on. They were on. They were off when he first shot, but when they, yeah, I can barely hear. I can barely hear. I'm deaf. I'm deaf, bro. I'm deaf. Wait up! Wait up! Oi! Wait up! I got little legs. I made it. Yeah, I just went deaf, guys. Deaf. Yeah, it's a little too far. Yeah, it's like in the middle of like 50 and 25.
Alright. Yeah, because I aim center target. Completely mixed it all together. So. Yeah, I think I'm shooting low.
Well, man, I'll go home. I'll go home. Bro, I feel like I'm gonna stop. Oh. I might want to back up. Yo, I barely heard that.
Yeah, it's a 22, bub.
Yeah, it's shooting a 22. And
Old rifle.
And oh, missed. Can I shoot the pistol now?
Just a minute, buddy, you can, okay?
Okay, bet. Let's watch. Shooting it. I'm just getting a bit closer. I barely hear anything, guys. Don't hear anything. I got these little special earmuffs. Oh my gosh. It's just making a... Let's see this. You out? You out?
Woo! Yeah, I'm out.
Ah. Oh, you're about to shoot the 12 gauge, aren't you? I think he's about to shoot the 12 gauge. Because he hasn't. I'm gonna be shooting the pistol and then the SIG, maybe. So, let's go. This is gonna take a while. It's been like 14 minutes and my dad's phone still isn't dead. We're waiting 14 little minutes. I've been waiting 17 minutes. Reminder, if I don't post after this, this may be my last video if it, but I'm malfunctioning. Kidding. I'm not dying. I ain't gonna miss in. Oh, you shooting? They're on. They're on. You see it, guys? He's not hitting the target. He's kind of missing. Okay. You out?
Kind of missing.
You out? You out of ammo?
Oh, you done? Okay, go ahead. Hey, stay over here. You gotta stay back behind here.
Oh
Always
my.
stay back behind somebody when they're shooting, man. You don't ever get in front of them, okay? Watch this, bud.
Are we magged
Oh.
on them?
Ready, baby?
Yeah, I'm ready. I know. He's right there. That wasn't that much. Kinda missing. Kinda missed.
I got something.
But you still get good. Still did good. Tried.
That's sick. She's so fast, dude.
Okay, now it's my turn to shoot, right?
Yep, you want to take a turn?
Yeah,
Yeah, put
on
the
the
gun down.
revolver. No, on the revolver thingy.
Yep, I know. Hang on, let me load this real
Yeah,
quick.
you gotta put the video down, bud. If you want to go shooting, you gotta put the video down.
I'm gonna put the video down. What does that mean?
Means you can't hold the phone.
I like this. I'm gonna be standing like right there. Dang it, man. Wait, let me see if they can see me. Can you guys see me? 'Cause I'm gonna be shooting like right here. Kaboom, kaboom, kaboom.
Kaboom, kaboom, kaboom.
See how fast I loaded 21? Speed loader. It's miraculous. Hey, Peyton, let's come over here to this bench, man.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go.
Show you how to do this.
Wait, Dad, I might have to use this box for me to hold it. I might have to use this little shotguns box for me to use it.
Come here.
I'm gonna have to use this to like hold up the cam.
Okay.
Oh, Mom's calling.